Hey guys, Dr. Paul Williams at the Movement Chiropractic and Wellness in Maple Grove. And today we're going to talk about firing patterns. One of the biggest things that we work on here is reversing incorrect firing patterns, especially in the lower spine, in the lower back. What we know is that if your firing patterns are incorrect, for example, when you go to bend down, bend forward, it puts a load on the low back that only allows you to get about 16,000 bends in a lifetime. Otherwise, you're going to end up getting some kind of a disc problem, a disc herniation or a disc bulge. So training that lower back to reverse the firing patterns, I'll have you listen to Tyler here.
How's it going, guys? So one thing that we like to do with all of our patients is check their firing pattern to make sure that's not the root of their problem. So what we're going to do to test that is we'll always start with our patient laying face down, and then I'll start with one hand on their low back and then one hand on their glutes. Okay? And then from here, what I'm going to do is have that patient lift up both legs at the same time, and I'm going to feel for which muscles activate first. So let's do a couple more of those. And what we're looking for here is we're looking for activation in the hamstrings first, up through the glutes and into the low back. And let's do one more here, Dr. John. Perfect. And then what we're also looking for is anybody who's got that reverse. So if we're feeling that contraction in the low back before the glutes, what we're going to do is put them through a series of exercises with our training area over here to make sure that we can correct that firing pattern, and then we'll check it from month to month or week to week depending on how bad it was to make sure that we're moving in the right direction and we can start to reduce any pain that we're feeling in the low back and get that firing pattern back to perfect. So from there, I'm going to send it back to Dr. Paul and he can kind of recap on the rest.
Okay guys, just remember that we're here to help you with changing these firing patterns to reverse them so that they're not causing issues in the lower spine, especially in the disc area. So anyhow, that's all we got today. I hope you guys have a great new year.